Take 4 of this morning. What is this? You know what that is? Or how about if I just draw another one for you? Same, right? Except this time, I'm going to connect this. And I'm going to connect the far one, right, if I want, over to the far one with a straight line. This one over here is what is going to be 1289. And this one over here is going to be 3287. You can really go in any way you want, right? So in this one over here, we have what is a cardinal, a fixed, no, we have a mutable, sorry. We have a mutable, a fixed, and a cardinal. Now over here, we have a cardinal, a fixed, and a mutable. So at the same time, here with 1289, right, we're going to end up with what is a fire, an earth. What is it? 8? That is a water. And then we're going to have the Scorpio, what is after 8, water is, yes, fire again, okay? So after that, we're going to have 32, right? So 32 is what is going to be a 3 mutable, and a 2 is going to be a fixed, and the 8, and then the 7, this will be Scorpio, and it'll be water, right? 4, 8, 12, water, water, water. And then 1, 4, 7, 10. 1, 4, wow. 3, 7. Yeah, hold on a second. Yeah, 3, 7 is going to be air, right? So we got 7 here and we got 7 over here. So we have what is fire, earth, water, fire. So we have 6, 6 is 12. Anyways, besides that, now we have the Annunaki. It's the key that went to Anu, that went to Na. So within the soul, this is talking over here, just like in Genesis, land, animal, and man, all but and towards the Hebrew Torah, they say that the soul is within the animal. The key is the 911. It is the transfer, right? It is the basic transfer from here to here. All right, you transfer over from the 9, the 189, okay, to what over is the 2, 9, 11. So you're born into the heavens of the one spirit, and you come out. So you go up here, you come down here, and you go out here. So your basic would be, if I was doing this, I would, you would go, let's say, from this position over to the 5 position, and then you run into the 8 position. And you'd be born in the 9th position. Over here, did I get that right? Square, 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 right.